Hello, my name is Laolin. Since this product became popular on the internet, many friends are asking, how long will it take to use it to be effective? As long as it's tartar, of course it works. How to judge? After you wipe your teeth with this product dipped in water, if there is black-gray color on this sponge, or slightly yellowing, it means that this product is effective for your tartar. So what about the effect? That has something to do with your tartar. If it's cigarette smoke, teeth, or tea stains from drinking tea, including our food scraps, especially in children, noticeable tartar, it should be witnessed on the spot. It can be wiped off on the spot. If you say the first wipe, nothing changes on the sponge, that means your teeth may be yellow or tartar. Has it penetrated the enamel? The product is invalid. You can even go to the hospital to have your teeth cleaned if it can't be washed off either. That means tartar has penetrated. The product is also invalid.